ఓకే గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ స్టూడెంట్స్. లాస్ట్ క్లాస్లో మనం xenon సంబంధించినటువంటి కాంపౌండ్స్ గురించి మనం తెలుసుకున్నాం. సో xenon reacts with fluorine and oxygen elements to form number of components: xenon difluoride, xenon tetrafluoride, xenon hexafluoride, xenon trioxide, xenon oxytetrafluoride, xenon dioxydifluoride. So these are all components is xenon components. Okay. So now today class, structure of XeF2, XeF4 and XeF6. Structure of XeF2. Now first, so what is the structure of XeF2? Overall, first point, in XeF2 central atom is xenon. Okay, in XeF2 central atom is xenon. What is the outer shell electronic configuration of the xenon? So outer shell electronic configuration of the xenon is 5s2, 5p6, we write 5d0. Okay, it is the outer shell electronic configuration of xenon, 5s2, 5p6, 5d0. So we write for a orbitals, it is the ground state. Already we know that ground state. In ground state, 5s orbital contain 2 electrons, 5p orbital contain 6 electrons. Next 5d, it is a vacant orbital, 5d is 0. So overall in XeF2 here how many fluorine atoms? 2 fluorine atoms. Okay, how many fluorine atoms? 2 fluorine atoms. So each fluorine atom contain 1 single electron. Each fluorine atom contain 1 single electron. How? Suppose fluorine 9 electrons, 1s2, 2s2, 2p5. We write for a orbital 1 electron, next to fill. So 2p5 is contain 1 single electron. Each fluorine atom contain 1 single electron. So 2 fluorine atoms contain 2 single electrons. 2 fluorine atoms contain 2 single electrons. So overall in ground state, xenon does not contain single electrons. We have mass required excited state. We have mass required excited state. In excited state of xenon, so 5s orbital, 5p orbital, 5d orbital, 5s in excited state or first excited state, 5p orbital of 1 electron jump to 5d. Okay, in first excited state, 5p orbital of 1 electron jump to 5d orbital. So 2, 2, 2, 2. This 5p orbital of 1 electron is jump to 5d orbital. In first excited state, xenon atom contain 2 single electrons. These 2 single electrons is bonded with 2 single electrons of 2 fluorine atoms to form XeF2. Okay, it is clear. So overall two single electrons of xenon atom is bonded with two single electrons of two fluorine atoms to form XeF2. Okay, so one fluorine atom, one electron. Overall, it's contain sp3d1 hybridization. Okay, sp3d1 hybridization. So here, how many lone pairs, how many bond pairs? Overall, these two pairs only participate in the bond formation. Okay, these two pairs only participate in the bond formation. So here bond pairs 2, remaining 1, 2, 3 lone pairs. These 3 lone pairs does not participate in the bond formation. Okay, so how many lone pairs? 3 lone pairs. How many lone pairs? 3 lone pairs. Overall, what is the structure of XeF2? Xenon is the central atom. Two fluorine atoms is attached with two single bonds or sigma bonds. It's contain 3 lone pairs. What is the structure? Linear shape. Okay, listen. Structure of XeF2. In XeF2 central atom xenon, the electronic configuration of the xenon is 5s2, 5p6, 5d0. We write for a orbital, we have called ground state. 5s orbital contains 2 electrons, 5p orbital 6 electrons, 5d0. So overall in XeF2, how many fluorine atoms? 2 fluorine atoms. Each fluorine atom contains 1 single electron. 2 fluorine atoms contain 2 single electrons. We have most required excited state. In excited state, 5p orbital of 1 electron is jumped to 5d orbital. So in this first excited state, it contains 2 single electrons. These 2 single electrons of xenon atom is bonded with 2 single electrons of 2 fluorine atom to form XeF2. So it is a sp3d1 hybridization. Okay, here 2 bond pairs and 3 lone pairs. These 2 pairs is participate in the bond formation. So bond pairs 2. These 3 pairs does not participate in the bond formation. So lone pairs 3. What is the structure? Linear shape. Xenon is the central atom and 2 fluorine atoms is attached with 2 single bonds or 2 sigma bonds. Okay, to form linear shape. So at the same time, we write for a orbital also. Xenon, fluorine. So it is one lone pair, it is another lone pair. So lone pair. So how many lone pairs? 3 lone pairs, these 2 bond pairs. Okay, it is a linear shape. Next further, structure of XeF4. Okay, now structure of XeF4. At the same time, in XeF4, central atom is xenon. Okay, in XeF4, what is the central atom? Xenon is the central atom. So the outer shell electronic configuration of the xenon is 5s2, 5p6, 5d0. We write for a orbital. What is the ground state electron configuration? So 5s orbital 2 electrons, 5p orbital 6 electrons, 5d orbital 0. Okay, 5s orbital 2 electrons, 5p orbital 6 electrons, 5d orbital 0. But here, how many fluorine atoms? 4 fluorine atoms. Okay, 4 fluorine atoms. Each fluorine atom contains one single electron. Each fluorine atom contains one single electron. So 4 fluorine atoms contain 4 single electrons. We have mass required excited state of xenon. So suppose excited state of xenon, it is 5s orbital, 5p orbital, 5d orbital. Okay, so 2 electrons, 2 electrons, 2 electrons, 2 electrons. In first excited state, 5p orbital of 1 electron jump to 5d orbital. Okay, in first excited state, 5p orbital of 1 electron jump to 5d orbital. In second excited state, 5p orbital of another electron is jump to 5d orbital. So in second excited state, how many single electrons? 4 single electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 single electrons of xenon atom bonded with 4 single electrons of 4 fluorine atoms to form XeF4. Okay, it's clear. So 4 single electrons of xenon atom bonded with 4 single electrons of 4 fluorine atoms to form XeF4. So what is the XeF4 formation? 5s orbital 2 electrons. So 5p orbital 1 1, 5d 1 1. Overall, 1 fluorine atom, 1 electron, another electron, another electron. 4 electrons of 4 fluorine atoms is bonded with the 4 single electrons of xenon atom to form XeF4. What is the hybridization? What is the hybridization? S 1 2 3 P3 D2 hybridization. sp3 D2 hybridization. Okay, so here how many lone pairs and how many bond pairs? Overall 1 2 3 4 bond pairs. 4 bond pairs. These 4 pairs is participate in the bond formation, but 2 pairs, these 2 pairs does not participate in the bond formation. So overall how many lone pairs? Only 2 lone pairs. These 2 lone pairs does not participate in the bond formation. Okay, so what is the structure of XeF4? Here central atom xenon, 4 fluorines is attached with the 4 corners of that xenon. Okay, so it's contain 2 lone pairs. It is a square planar structure. Okay, square planar structure or square planar shape. These 2 lone pairs 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bond pairs. So here, how many single bonds are sigma bonds? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 single bonds are sigma bonds. Okay, there is no pi bond. Here మనకి pi bond ఉందా అండి దీంట్లో? No. Double bond ఉంటేనే మనకి pi bond అనేటువంటి ఉంటుంది. So all single bonds. So single bonds means sigma bonds. It is a structure of XeF4. Listen. In XeF4 central atom xenon, the outer shell electronic configuration of that xenon 5s2, 5p6, 5d0. We write for a orbital. So overall, each fluorine atom contain one single electron. 4 fluorine atoms contain 4 single electrons. We have most required excited state. In this excited state, first excited state, 5p orbital of one electron is jumped to 5d orbital. Next, second excited state, 5p orbital of another electron is jumped to 5d orbital. In second excited state, 4 single electrons of xenon atom is bonded with 4 single electrons of 4 fluorine atoms. Okay, to form XeF4. So it is the XeF4 formation. 4 fluorine atoms of the 4 single electrons is attached with the 4 single electrons of xenon atom. 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, so overall it has sp3d2 hybridization, and it contain 4 bond pairs and 2 lone pairs. What is the structure? Xenon is the central atom. 4 fluorine atoms is attached with 4 corners with single bond or sigma bond. It contains 2 lone pairs. So it has square planar structure. Okay, square planar structure. So it is a structure of XeF4. Next further, structure of XeF6. So xenon hexafluoride. What is the structure of XeF6? So same, in XeF6 central atom is xenon. What is the central atom? Xenon. The ground state electronic configuration of the xenon is 5s2, 5p6, 5d0. So we write for a orbital. It is called ground state. 5s orbital 2 electrons, 5p orbital 6 electrons, 5d orbital vacant orbital. Okay, 0 electrons. Here how many fluorine atoms? 6 fluorine atoms. Each fluorine atom contains one single electron. 6 fluorine atoms contain 6 single electrons. We have most required excited state. In excited state, suppose 5s orbital, 5p orbital, 5d orbital, 2 electrons, 2, 2, 2. Overall, in first excited state, 5p orbital of 1 electron is jumped to 5d orbital. Okay, in first excited state, 5p orbital of 1 electron is jumped to 5d orbital. Next, in second excited state, another electron of 5p orbital is jumped to 5d orbital. So 5p orbital, one electron is jumped to 5d orbital. Next, in third excited state, another electron of 5p orbital is jumped to 5d. Okay, in third excited state, how many single electrons are there? Total 6 single electrons. Okay, so these 6 single electrons of xenon atom bonded with 6 single electrons of 6 fluorine atoms. Okay, these 6 single electrons of xenon atom bonded with 6 single electrons of 6 fluorine atoms to form XeF6. What is the formation of XeF6? So 5s orbital, next 5p orbital, 5d orbital, 2 electrons, 1 1 1 1 1 1. Overall, these 6 single electrons of 6 fluorine atoms is bonded with 6 single electrons of xenon atom. So 1 electron, 1 electron, 1 electron, 1 electron, formation of bond. Here it has sp3d3 hybridization. sp3d3 hybridization. Okay, overall sp3d3 hybridization. How many lone pairs and how many bond pairs? How many pairs is participating in the bond formation? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, 6 pairs is participate in the bond formation, but only one pair does not participate in the bond formation. That is lone pair. Overall, one lone pair. Okay, so here bond pairs 6 and lone pairs 1 only. What is the structure of XeF6? Central atom is xenon. It is attached with 4 fluorine atoms attached with 4 corners of xenon with single bonds or sigma bonds, one above and one below. Okay, one fluorine atom is above and one fluorine atom is below. So it has one lone pair. This lone pair is indicated with the orbital. Okay, it is a destroyed octahedral structure. Destroyed octahedral structure. Okay, it is a structure of XeF6. Listen, what is the structure of XeF6? Mainly it is 2 points is very important. Hybridization and structure. What is the hybridization of XeF6 sp3d3? What is the structure? Destroyed octahedral shape. Overall, in XeF6 central atom xenon, the outer shell electronic configuration of the xenon is 5s2, 5p6, 5d0. The ground state electronic configuration you write for a orbital: 5s orbital 2 electrons, 5p orbital 6 electrons, 5d0. But here how many fluorine atoms? 6 fluorine atoms. Each fluorine atom contain 1 single electron. 6 fluorine atoms contain 6 single electrons. So we have mass required excited state. In first excited state, 5p orbital of 1 electron is jumped to 5d orbital. Another electron of 5p orbital is jump to 5d orbital. Third electron is also jump to 5d orbital from 5p. So in third excited state, it's contain total 6 single electrons. These 6 single electrons of xenon atom is bonded with 6 single electrons of 6 fluorine atoms to form XeF6. Overall, these 6 single electrons is bonded with 6 single electrons of fluorine atoms to form XeF6. sp3d3 sp3d3 hybridization, and it's contain 6 bond pairs and 1 lone pair. What is the structure? Xenon is the central atom. 4 fluorine atoms is attached with the 4 corners of the xenon with single bonds or sigma bonds. Remaining 2 fluorine atoms is attached with the 1 above and 1 below of the fluorine atom, and it's contain 1 lone pair. That lone pair we have indicated with the orbital. What is the shape? Destroyed octahedral shape. Okay, it is the structure of XeF6. So today class, XeF2, XeF4 and XeF6. What is the hybridization of XeF2? sp3d1. Structure linear shape. What is the hybridization of XeF4? sp3d2. What is the structure? Square planar structure. What is the structure of XeF6? Destroyed octahedral structure. What is the hybridization? sp3d3 hybridization. Okay, further class we have discussed about structure of XeO3, structure of XeOF4. Okay.